number 1. We're really excited to bring this syllabus to you. It's where we get to combine all the moves that we've done before and we get to make awesome turn patterns out of them for the social dance floor.
Absolutely. So let's check it out first and then we'll get to breaking it down for you.
Yeah, so guys, this is what you're learning today.
5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. 7, 8. 1. And 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, let's get to breaking it down. So the first thing we're going to do is start in our nice close hold position. Arms cupped, keeping the arm down a little bit here. Now we're going to just do a basic on the spot, keeping the foreheads connected if you can, depending on your height. Now from here we go. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, open out from the guys. Yeah, so guys separate from your partner, not vice versa. Now, my right hand goes to my partner's shoulder blade. Left stays down. Now, what's going to happen is we're going to step 1 to the side. Then we're going to rotate 2. We're going to step across for 3. And on 4, I'm actually going to give my partner the rotation away as we come around for 4. Yeah? From this position here, guys, I'm actually going to lead her back as I tap in front. 5, I replace. 6, bringing her around. 7, and hip on 8. From this position here, guys, now, we're going to move the angle around, so I'm going to come in towards my partner. So I'm stepping in 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, as I come in for 4, notice my hand and body come down a little bit towards the waist, and at the same time, I've got this arm a little bit wider, getting ready to bring it up.
And just notice, guys, we're attached to the hip here, so we're right alongside each other.
Can't get away from each other, yeah? From here now, guys, what's gonna happen is we're gonna lunge out to the side. Now, I'm gonna do this without Ellicia first, just watching. As I go, 5, really important here, guys, that you still keep your body up. Don't sit too far down into this. She needs something for you to be supported on. Vice versa, she needs to be supported on you, yeah? I keep this arm up, and the tension from my frame is still bringing her body onto me so that she doesn't just slide down and drop. So helping keep her up. Before we come back, 7 and 8. Let's try this now together. So we're here on 4. We lunge out, the arm comes up. 5. We hold the 6, and then we start to transfer our weight. 7 and hip on 8. Beautiful. Now.